How to Robinhood make money? Now, if you're familiar with the crypto and a stock investing world, you must have already heard of the application or the company known as Robinhood. And if you're wondering how they make actually money, so they basically have a practice or a business model that is called payment for order flow, or also known as PFO, where they sell their customers orders to high frequency trading firms, which is market makers, who then execute the trades at slightly better prices, essentially earning a small fee for each order routed through them. Despite offering commission-free trading to their users, this is the primary source of revenue, even though it can be controversial due to potential conflicts of interest. Now, the key points about Robinhood's revenue generation is basically no commission fees, selling order flow, market maker rebates, and options trading. There are also some criticism about their business model, that because there are some political conflicts of interest and lack of transparency about what they do. But I hope that this video made it pretty clear for you on how you can basically understand how Robinhood makes money as a business. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.